Today, we're taking a hot dog tour of the USA in our own backyard.
These classic dogs are unique and delicious in their own special way.
Trust us, folks, after every bite, you're going to say,
hot diggity dog.
Hot diggity dog. Diggity. You always throw on the extra diggity.
I love it.
I love it, too.
Y'all, we are outside. We got smart because we got some shade going on.
We got our whole thing fixed up for you guys, and we are going to show you some of the best hot dogs in the world.
Yes.
So let's get started. Hot dog number one, the original Coney Island.
This is the hot dog that started it all.
It really did. It's the original one.
That's
and it
amazing.
started in Coney Island. We'll tell you that story in just a minute.
It has some history. It's
Let's
great.
talk dogs.
Yeah, so we're going to use Feltman's dogs, Coney Island. You see that right there? And we'll talk a little more about these dogs in just a second. And since it's just the two of us, we're not going to waste all of our hot dogs. We're just going to cook one each.
Those are all beef, natural casing. That's super important, which is why, and we're using our griddle back here.
Yes,
We got our Blackstone griddle. You can griddle these. You can boil
there we
them.
go, sizzly baby.
You can steam them, or you can put them on the grill. We're doing them on the griddle. So let's talk a little. This is just one of those fascinating New York stories. When we started delving into our hot dog research,
I love it. It's so
Feltman's,
awesome.
Charles Feltman's was a German immigrant back in the 1800s, 1867, I believe.
It's
1867,
yeah.
And he was a baker, and he had sausages. And so there was down on Coney Island on the beach. He wanted to be able to serve these, but he didn't want everyone to have to deal with utensils.
Yeah.
So he came up with the idea of taking one of his pieces of bread, his loaves, split it open and put one of his sausages in there, and he called them Red Hots.
Yeah,
and
isn't that
they
amazing?
sold like Red Hots. I mean, it was just amazing. In fact, he went from this humble little push cart where he sold them to by 1922, he had the largest restaurant in the world called Feltman's. It took up an entire block down there near the boardwalk of Coney Island. It was huge. It served like 20,000 people a day.
Yeah.
It had an amusement park, a giant beer garden. It was incredible.
But the really interesting part is
The story has a twist.
Yeah, one of his was he a bun slicer?
Yes.
His name was Nathan.
Nathan Handworker.
Nathan. So anyway, he started his own business.
He saved money. And,
Started his own business, and Feldman's was selling their hot dog for 10 cents. So Nathan started selling it for 5 cents. So
and
of course,
stole all the business. And now Nathan's, of course, is now like what you think of when you think of Coney Island hot dogs. And eventually, Feltman's he sold his business and eventually, stopped. But then, generations later, I think it was great-grandsons, resurrected the brand.
It's awesome.
It's the exact same recipe, and now they're flourishing. You can get we got these online. They're so good. They're so delicious.
They're so good.
We'll talk about the traditional toppings in just a moment.
Are we ready for those buns?
Okay, those are looking good. So they've only got probably about 2, maybe 3 more minutes. You want them to just get nice and kind of browned on the outside. And then we've got our steamer basket set up here. Steaming your buns is the way to go. You can microwave them, but steamed is the best.
Totally.
And we're going to put them in when there's only about a minute left to go, and then we bring it all together. It's time!
It's time!
Yay. Okay, so these hot dogs have been steaming for about a minute, maybe a little more.
You.
They're nice and warm.
Oh, yes. Oh, I love that.
I know, they get so soft and so lovely. Now our dogs are cooked perfectly, just slightly browned. That natural casing gives it that snap that you like so much, and we all love a good snap. So now, the toppings, the traditional toppings are, now again, correct us if we're wrong, but we've done boo-koodles of research, and my fingers are...
Boo-koodles.
Boo-koodles, that's a new term. It's from...
Yum.
This is good quality sauerkraut. If you can find yourself some sauerkraut or make some, this is classic. Now, obviously, in Nathan's, they also include a chili sauce, and they also do, I think, griddled onions.
Nathans.
The Nathans.
Right.
Which now, when you go to Coney Island, that's what you're going to see.
But this is the original.
This is the original. This is his Feltman's. You can do that. Feltman's spicy brown mustard.
So good.
Let's do a little zigzag of that.
I will. Oh, I think I'm going to do dollops.
Do a dog. Oh yeah, it's a big spout.
It is a big spout.
Okay. I feel like we're.
I'm so excited. That looks so. Oh yeah, you got some.
I got
on
myself
there.
some mustard. I love mustard.
All right, shall we?
Let's do it. I'm waiting for this.
I love these little baskets for our hot
know, it's so
dogs.
festive.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, this is hot. Mm. Oh.
Amazing. Now I understand why you sold 20,000 a day. Incredible.
That hot dog.
I know.
It's so good.
Snap, and there's a flavor. There's nothing like it. No wonder they brought it back.
That is 100,000% lit approved.
Yes.
All right, on to hot dog number 2, Chicago style.
One of the most unique hot dogs, but also one of the most delicious.
It's a garden.
It is. That's what they say. This hot dog is like they drag it
Look
through
at
the
all
garden.
that.
I know. It's a party. I tell you. And so,
All right, let's start off with the hot dogs. We have Vienna beef. Apparently, these are the hot dogs to use for your Chicago
not
dog.
apparently, they are. The Chicago ones love it, and for good reason. And the really cool, you see the buns that we use? These are poppy seed buns. I don't even know where you would get poppy seed buns other than Vienna beef. And the cool thing about that is that they know how much people love to make these hot dogs. So you can buy the whole kit and they'll ship it to you. And it's
The
not
whole
expensive.
kit and caboodle.
The whole kit and caboodle, if you will. The whole dog and cadoodle. Dog and caboodle. Anyway, it's the only thing you have to get yourself are, and we'll talk about this, are the dill pickle spears, tomato slices, and onion. But that's just a little bit of what we're going to do. So
Yeah,
anyway,
the rest comes with all this stuff.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So we're going to cook these until they get nice and seared, and they're already doing that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this down a little bit.
I did.
And then we're gonna steam these buns because you got to steam them. That's the way to do it. And then we're gonna show you how to make the most amazing hot dog. Okay, we are.
I love it.
I know.
It's a day of hot dogs.
I know. I love it.
Here you go. Oh,
So
look at
those
that
are
poppy
perfectly
seed.
steamed. When you get them, they're kind of, I don't know, they feel almost like stiff.
Ooh,
and
they're
then when you
hot.
steam them, they're
Yeah.
just perfect. Now there is a tried and true method of building this hot dog. And if I get it wrong, I know I will hear about it. So I'm going to do my best
Yes.
to do
Please.
to do it the way they do in the Windy City. Okay, so this is the perfect. We griddled this, as you can see, but you can also boil your dogs. You can grill them. You can steam them. I believe it's however you like best to do it. Okay,
Now,
so
Chris, I forget.
Okay, now the first thing you start. This is yellow, just good old yellow mustard.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little to myself. I'm not being very neat on this. This is one of the most unique things that I love, and
It's crazy.
they call it like kryptonite. This is sweet relish, and I'm gonna give
That
you-
is so wild.
Yeah,
That's
you
all
can-
right. Get all
You
messy.
can literally see it from outer space. And it's so colorful and just.
Is
so,
it sweet?
It is sweet.
Oh,
yeah.
that's right. It is sweet.
Okay, so now I'm going to use the same spoon.
I like dill
You're not-
relish.
This isn't the Wesley style hot dog.
Okay,
This
okay,
is the
okay.
Chicago style.
All
Okay,
right.
that was diced onion. Now this is when it starts getting really interesting. You're like, what? This is the part. These are big old tomatoes too. We're going to
Tuck it in
stick
there.
2 tomato wedges.
I love
These
it.
are just we've cut them in a slice and then cut them into 2 wedges.
Yes, your hands are clean.
They're very clean. I washed them
I watched
thoroughly.
you wash them.
And then this is where you also have to kind of unhinge your jaw to eat. This is a full dill pickle spear.
Kosher dill.
Kosher dill picker. It's so like, and then these are peppers.
Look at that. That's amazing. You know, I should
These
have
are
wore.
called sport peppers.
Yeah. Yep.
You should have wore what?
I should have wore a baseball hat to represent each of the areas.
I know.
But I don't have them all, so I'm just wearing my Texas Rangers
Now
ballpark.
this is like, why not a little celery
Celery.
salt on
I
top.
love it. Are we ready for this?
I am so ready. I am born.
I don't know if I can get my. Oh dear.
You can do it. You just gotta. I mean, I've watched Chicago and. Next time we go back to Chicago, I can't believe we've never gotten this in Chicago.
I know. I know.
Here we go. It's like, where's your flavor go first?
That
I'm eating a
is
combination.
crazy.
I'm eating a combination of that Vienna Frankfurter.
Oh,
So
and that
the pepper with the sweet relish,
well, and the pepper with the dill.
everything.
Y'all.
Chicago. You've
I'm
done
gonna
it
say it.
again.
Oh, this is so good, y'all. This is 100,000% lit approved.
Yes. Okay. On to hot dog number 3, Cincinnati cheese Coney.
These epic dogs are the ultimate chili cheese dog. Oh,
They are. They were
crazy.
probably one of the ones I knew the least about, but the more we researched, there is
It's-
a passion for these
Yes.
dogs, especially in Cincinnati, Ohio, and I get it. So let's talk about
I'm gonna get these. I'm
Yeah.
gonna get this going. So we're gonna use. Is this Sabret?
Sabret, yeah.
Yeah. You see these like this logo all over New York City.
New York City,
But
yeah.
anyway, these are natural casing again, 100% beef Frankfurters. Look at those. All right.
The natural casing gives it that bite, that snap that we love. Just use your favorite, but really try to seek out natural casing. That makes a big difference. Now, we said, ooh, I love that sound. We said chili is a key component, and man, is it ever, chili and cheese. So this is my Cincinnati chili. I'm not going to go into detail of how I made it. It's beefy. It's got some Greek influences. Which
It's
got a little,
beefy.
It's beefy. It's got a little cinnamon, a little cloves, and then it's got a little. It's not spicy, but it's savory and it is delicious.
It is-
and
it is very unique.
it is
Very
a-
unique.
Cincinnati just.
I'm gonna put these.
It
right
is
here.
so unique to Cincinnati, and we have a link to the recipe in the blog post and all over the place. Make it. It really, you can't have these dogs without it. Okay, and then of course we've got cheese and cheese and cheese.
Yes.
And we will be piling that on big
Yes,
time
yes.
when these are ready. When those are done about I don't know, about a minute before we've got our steamer basket set up. We've got some of our favorite hot dog buns that we're just gonna get them nice and soft.
And there's another hot dog down here.
We got a hot
Thank
dog
you.
down here. Boy, she looks hot. Okay, so when we come back, we are going to build the cheese dog of a lifetime.
Chili cheese dog.
Chili cheese dog. Okay, it is time. Okay, so about, I don't know, those dogs went about 5 minutes. About after 4 minutes, we put these buns in there.
Love it.
Steam
Thank
them
you.
to
I got it,
perfection.
I
They're
got
nice
it.
and hot.
Ooh-wee. Ooh, they're raw.
When I put my buns in, then I gave my chili a stirring, and I've got it over here, so it's nice and hot. Now we're going to grab these perfectly cooked hot dogs. We griddled them. You can also boil them. You could
good.
grill them. You could simmer them. You can do whatever you want to cook them. Okay, so now let's make sure. If I'm doing it wrong, I know I'm going to hear about it. This is what I believe to be the traditional way to do it. So mustard goes on next, and we're going to do just like a little zigzag of that.
Fabulous. Sorry for all the noise. We're outside, summertime.
It's
Everybody's
summertime.
doing stuff.
That's right. And then, no, we're not going to do the onions yet. Now we're going to do a nice layering of this beautiful Cincinnati chili. That is so. Cincinnati chili is it's not as thick as like a Texas chili.
Don't you? We have a link to this where you can get the recipe.
Yeah, I said that earlier, and so. And you got to make it. I mean, it makes all the difference. Don't use just regular canned chili, because then you're going to ruin it. And I promise that. So now, with clean hands, I promise I'll just do my spoon.
Just use the spoon
I'm just
like
gonna
a civilized person.
Well, I try. Okay, now we're going to do some onion on top. And now, do you want to do that?
Yes, I am
Because
going
this is
to do my amount of cheese.
what I think the actual term is an ungodly amount of cheese.
Look at that. That's an ungodly amount.
Yeah. And it just works because it all combines with that warm chili.
I love
That is an ungodly amount of chili, cheese, but
All right, are we ready? I'm gonna have trouble with this.
this is going to be a fun one.
Okay. Oh gosh. Okay.
Take a little chunk of it.
Ooh. All right. Here we go.
Here we go.
Ooh.
Dig it in.
Oh.
It's meant to be messy. Oh my goodness gracious.
I took a big bite. Woo-wee. That is,
That hot dog is so good.
y'all, that is amazing. That is 100,000% living
I
proof.
would think so, yay.
Oh, y'all. All right, now on to the final hot dog. Hot dog number 4, West Virginia Slaw Dog.
These hidden gems are so good, you'll say, well, where have you been all my life? And I tell you
I
that's
said that
true.
all the time.
The first time I ate it, I yelled that out.
I had no idea.
I know, and apparently it is just. We got to go back to West Virginia. And
Yeah.
I can't believe we have not had it.
Apparently they've got
The capita of
hundreds.
hot dogs
Like,
to
yeah.
West Virginians is massive, and there's a good reason because it's so delicious. And so we're going to try to do our best to do it justice.
Yes.
Tell us what we're doing wrong.
Yeah.
But let's start. Let me tell you first about this. They don't call it chili. They call it hot dog sauce. It looks a lot like chili.
It does.
But it's got its own distinct flavor. So let me tell you how I made it.
In a large pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of lard or oil. Then add a cup of chopped onions and saute until soft. Now add the spices, 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, paprika, and cumin, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Saute that until aromatic, about a minute. Then add 2 cups of beef stock or beef broth. Then crumble in 2 pounds of ground beef, preferably 85 to 90% lean. Use your spatula to break it up and then bring it to a boil. Give it a good stirring, and now lower the heat to medium-low. Cover and let that simmer for about an hour. Then you're going to remove the lid, give it a good stirring, and then in a medium bowl we're going to add 1 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Whisk that together until it's fully combined. Now we're going to add that to the meat sauce. Stir to combine. Then season with 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir that in and let that simmer for another 30 minutes until slightly thickened.
Okay, amazing. So now I'm going to put this on the grill back here
Yes.
to get it nice and heated.
And we're going to use a soubrette. These are natural casing beef frankfurters. So good.
Use whatever your favorite is. Natural casing is the key to get that snap. We're gonna griddle ours.
This dog, I got another hot dog.
We got hot dogs everywhere. You can grill it, you can steam it, you can boil it. Griddling it is wonderful. So we're gonna let these cook until they're almost done, and then we're gonna steam our buns. We've got our steam basket, that's the way to do it. Then we've got the traditional toppings that we'll talk about very soon.
Yay!
Okay, so these have been going about 5 minutes. They are ready. We are going to take our buns out after about, I don't know, they only take about literally 60 seconds to steam.
Yeah.
Don't overdo it or they get a little mushy.
And hot.
And they are good and hot. I stirred my chili while it was on the griddle or on the stove.
Now, the thing that you do with your West Virginia slaw dogs is you put your this is mustard. God, oh, it's hot out here. My brain's frying. Okay, we're going to do that down there on the bottom.
Okay.
I think you're supposed to do a strip on each side. Like
Well,
that.
just, yeah, much. And then we do a liberal layer of onions. These, from what I understand, the
There we go.
mustard and the onions are optional, but we love mustard and onions. Then we're going to put in our all beef natural casing frankfurter.
Nice.
And then we're going to really do what makes this so special. Here, I'll do yours first.
Come on over. Oh, that looks great.
That is
That sauce.
This hot dog sauce.
It's not chili.
No, it's not. It's hot dog sauce. It's got a
love
little
it.
sweetness, a little savory to it. It's a little reminiscent of Cincinnati chili, I think. I probably offended some people by saying that. So.
All right, next. Come on.
Okay. Now we've got, this is a coleslaw. So this is my homemade mayonnaise-based coleslaw. And I think
That's awesome.
this is what puts this dog
Perfect.
over the top, because just the juxtaposition of these two flavors is really, really wonderful.
Oh, Chris. He's making fun of me because I used that word wrong the other day.
No, you didn't.
He's not making fun of me.
I
no.
never would do that.
All right, let's
All
go.
right, I
in.
am so excited to eat this.
Y'all.
This is one of my favorite dogs of all time. And I've got a lot of favorite dogs.
Okay. Oh, my. That's ridiculous.
That is, I'm telling you,
Y'all.
there are so many people in West Virginia who will tell you it's the best hot dog there is. I get it. I'm a little
Wow.
confused why it's not more nationally known.
This chili is, or the sauce
The sauce.
is amazing.
But isn't it mixed with the coleslaw?
Yeah, with the sweetness of the coleslaw.
And then just the bite of the hot dog.
Wow, I think this is my favorite hot dog from now on. All right, folks, this is, I think it might be 1,000,000%.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Well, guys, we've had so much fun making hot dogs in the
Yes.
sweltering Texas sun.
Woo.
But we love you.
Yes, make a hot dog. It's almost Labor Day, so let's do it.
It's a hot diggity time for sure.
Hot diggity dog
All right.
diggity.
Whatever. All right, bye. We love you.